This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 362 TBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features a COLLINS DECOR interior, sleeps 10, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, skylight, slide-out, awning, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, TV, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features loft, outdoor kitchen, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 362 TBS is 12,404 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.